Ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes of all ages, welcome back to Lou Cartoons. I am Looney Lou, and today we are gonna kick Jimmy's ass.
Yeah, boy!
Mr. Broadbent, I must say, you are one of the several inspirations I had to create a YouTube channel in the first place, so thank you for that. I have watched a load of your stuff, and something I keep coming back to is your dirt rally stuff, mainly because I'm a dirt rally nerd too. So I decided I'm gonna dethrone you. 6 years ago, you went for a world record with this car on Fuller Mountain Ascent. Well, today I have a few objectives. First and foremost, it is to dethrone you, okay? My second objective is to be the fastest Mustang, and the third objective is to be the fastest Canadian, but mainly you. You're my main target, okay? It's not because I don't like you. I actually have a lot of respect for you, and I'd love to work with you one day. But for now, this is as close as we're gonna get. So when you filmed this, you became 5th overall in the world with a time of 2:52.6. Well, I have my weapon of choice here. And for those of you who are curious, here's the comparison between Jimmy's car and my car. So I'm already at a severe disadvantage. On top of that, because he posted his stats online, everyone's gonna try to beat him, right? So 6 years later, I'm willing to bet any money he's not 5th anymore. Yeah, so here was my last attempt, 3:18. Jimmy also said that he's giving himself a 1 hour limit to get this done. I'd give myself 2 hours. 1 hour because that's what Jimmy did, and the second hour is because there are loads of other people who have done this. Plus, I'm in a Mustang, which is the heaviest car, I think, in the game, if I'm being honest. I need to verify that. Aha, there he is. 202nd. You are now 12 seconds. Oh, jeez. This is not gonna be easy, is it? Now, the fastest Mustang, they're all Porsches, Astons, and BMWs. Ford Mustang GT4. Hey, it's Silver. Nice. Silver, your YouTube channel is another inspiration of mine to create videos, okay, and start posting online. So the fact that I'm now competing directly against you, this is awesome. So by being the fastest Mustang, I'm also beating Silver. What about the fastest Canadian? Guildmaster with a time of 2:50, and he's in an Aston. Oh my goodness, my brain physically hurts already. We got a lot of work to do. Who's ready for some rally?
3, 2, 1. 5 right long, opens over crest 50, 6 right long. 130.
Come on.
Into 6 left long.
Oh boy.
Right long.
Hi guys, good to see you. I'm just gonna, yeah,
80.
burn his camera.
6 left. 120.
It was a bush. Come on. Oh, nuts. We're not off to a great start. Ooh. Oh, no, 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 no. Boy. Now put your phones away, darn it. I need to keep my pride intact and you guys are not helping. That was horrendous. Okay, we're also going to be smart about this. There are areas where I know I can cut, but they're very difficult to see because there's bushes in the way. Like just graphics and stuff to extra low so that there's, you know, hopefully this works. Yes, this does work. Okay.
1. 5 right long, flat, 6 right long. 130.
Oh, come on.
Into 6 left long.
2, 1. Oh.
Right long.
Ah!
Into 6 right. Extra, extra.
Oh, come on.
40. Turn-ish to stop.
Woo! Oh, okay. Listen to Phil, Lou. Listen to Phil. Here we go. You know what? Jimmy put it best.
To see that with memorization of a stage and car and all the little tips and tricks for a certain stage, can I even get close?
I'm sorry about this whole conundrum, guys, but I'm still figuring out how to YouTube. Hey guys, Looney Lou here. I'm sorry for the interruption. Long story short, I posted this video for a few hours. This video not only got labeled copyright, but it got restricted, so it's just the algorithm's not pushing it at all. It got like 5 views. The reason why is because I made this edit using Smooth Operator by Sage. If you guys want to see the original version of that, check out my TikTok. It's not copyrighted there. It's almost funny. Anyways, so I'm here to do a song over, a sing over. I don't know how to phrase this. All right, here we go. Just imagine there's saxophones, okay? No need to ask, he's a smooth operator. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Who put that rock there? Smooth operator. Smooth. Coast to coast, LA to Chicago, Western Mail.
To stop.
I don't know the words after this. Yet again. Also, okay, hold on. Give me this. Toasty, I believe in you. You can swing this. With enough tries, I'll bet you can kick my ass. All right, enjoy the rest of the bloopers, guys. I'll see you in the next one.
Finish.
I don't know how many times I've hit 305, but I've definitely gone over my 1 hour. This is actually insane. I frankly was not expecting it to be this hard. Tell you guys what, this is gonna be a part 1. Part 2 to come out very soon, but I will not Part 2 to come out soon. I am not gonna stop this until I figure out how to actually get not only sub 3 minutes, but I can actually like get to that, at least one of these. Man, that is tough. Jimmy, I gotta say, that is an impressive time you set. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. I'm Looney Lou. Stay tuned, my goons. We'll see you soon.
2, 1, go. 5 right long, opens over crest 50, 4 right over jumps into don't cut, 4 left long. Opens over crest 30, turn late, maybe left. And flat, 6 right long. 130. Keep middle of a crest. Into 6 right. And keep right over 200. 4 right, very long. Tightens turn, hairpin right. Into 6 left long. Into 5 right long, into 6 left of the crest, 80. Don't cut, 5 left of a crest, into 6 right, 100, 6 left, 120, 6 left of a crest, into caution, 4 right long, tightens, into 6 left, extra long, into 6 right, extra long, tightens 5, 100, 5 left long, 150, flat left of a crest, 140, turn unseen, 1 right, opens through narrow gate, 30, turn 1 left, opens through narrow gate, 120, cut 6 left of a dip, into 5 right of a crest, extra long, opens of a crest, 50, keep flat middle of a crest, 100, keep left of a crest, jump, 120, crest, jump, and 5 right, into 6 left, don't cut, 100, keep middle of a crest, big jump, 40, 4 left long, opens, into 6 right, 70, 4 right long, opens, into 4 left long, 30, 6 right, opens long, into slow, 6 left, and 6 right long, tightens turn, 3 long, opens 30, 5 right long, opens 30, 4 right long, tightens 50, 4 right tightens, 5 left, very long, tightens 4 cut, into 5 right of a crest, into 5 left long, caution don't cut over finish, to stop. Over finish, to stop.
Hi buddy, look at this cat. Look at my cat. This is Frankie. How wonderful. Where's the penalty? No penalty. What? How is that slower? Oh, I don't get this. No, not a flat. Come on. Oh, it's a rear right flat. Oh,
Something
jeez.
doesn't feel right at the rear.
Yeah, no,
Is it a
Phil.
puncture?
Yes, it's a puncture, you dunce. Shut up and talk. No. That turned out better than I was expecting. Oh boy. The internet is going to love you more than they will love me. But you forget. Oh, and you ran away. That wasn't bad, but like the line. You guys see this? My cat is so awesome.
Finish.
Hi, buddy. Well, hello. How are you doing? Oh, I love you.